Springtime is here and Kirk Auto is always near, so come see us today here in Grenada.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
Well, that's a first.
Didn't you hear? Kirk Auto is doing spring cleanup.
I don't think it means that we're actually literally cleaning up, Katilyn. We're moving out our old inventory so we can make room for our new inventory. That way everyone saves.
What?
Yeah, you could stop cleaning up.
I've been cleaning up for the past 4 hours and no one has said anything.
We wanted to wait till you were finished. You look like you were having a lot of fun. What are you doing?
What did you say, Jess?
Sunshine or rain time, Kirk Auto Company will always be here for you.
We have plenty of fresh picks on our lot at Kirk Auto Company. Let us save you some green this spring. So y'all want to say it?
Kirk can.
No, I meant everyone.
Kirk can. That's right. No matter your vehicle needs, Kirk Auto can and will take care of you.